Hello everyone and welcome to this unboxing video. And yeah, it's been a long time since I did one of these. Like I think the last one was like 6 months ago, half a year. But yeah, today is going to be very special because in front of us is the Soundtech 2.1 condenser microphone. And yeah, here's why it's special. First of all, this is going to be my actual microphone that I'll use for my future videos. So this is gonna be a pretty big upgrade in terms of audio quality. So make sure to subscribe so you won't miss my future quality video. And yeah, this is the microphone that I've been using since the start of the channel, which is just a built-in mic from a cheap $10 earbud, so it's not the greatest. And speaking of cheap, this Soundtech here is also pretty cheap. Like this is only $30, which is amazing, and it's the #1 bestseller in Tokopedia. It's like my local Amazon with tons of good reviews, so this might be the best budget USB microphone. But anyway, I'm really excited to check this out, so let's just get into the big box. Alright, first of all, sorry for like the bad video quality. Like this is also my third time recording this since my best camera keep crashing every time and all my footage keep getting corrupted. So you have to deal with this one instead. So I've already unboxed it technically. But yeah, in front of us is the box itself, and as you can see, it's pretty bland. Like this is just a white box with the name Soundtech on it, which is actually a local brand from Indonesia, and I think it's also a pretty small and new brand. So I'm pretty excited to see what they offer. And as you can see, the box itself is pretty damaged because this freaking package took 4 freaking days to arrive, and I'm sure the package man found some few ways to pop the box. So yeah, I've also opened up the seal here just to check because the box is so freaking damaged. Anyway, from the box itself, there's nothing here, nothing here, and then here you can see this is the website actually if you want to check them out. And then on this side is a big picture of the microphone. Oh my god, it's so big. Let's just turn it this way. So as you can see, this is the mic itself, and there's some blue light coming out of from the top part, and there's this also a knob here with also a blue ring onto it. And yeah, this microphone is a USB microphone, so this is pretty easy to use, plug and play, and I'll definitely make a review, so make sure to subscribe so you won't miss it when I upload it. And I'm talking really fast, but I'm excited to check it out. And as you can see on the back here is the specification and also the microphone right here. As you can see, the photo looks pretty professional, pretty slick for like $30. This looks amazing. The only big complaint here I got is like the big stand here. It looks pretty ugly and clunky, but hey, it's $30. What can I expect, right? And as you can see, there's a lot of specs here. As you can see, polar patterns, noise suppression, reverb, cable length is 2 meters, pretty long, and it supports Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Same here at the bottom, ANC, 2 recording patterns, and also USB-C. This uses USB-C. And let's just get into the box. Right now, it's out of focus. Come on, focus. It opens from this side. Let's just put it on here. Boom, there you go. This is the logo, Soundtech logo. Open it up, and boom, we're greeted with some paperwork here. This is the warranty card. Can you focus? Put it there. This is the user manual. Let's just skip it over if you want to see it. Here you go. There you go. See it all? Yeah, that's good. Skip them off. And here's the big boy. Here's the mic here. Let's just pull it out right now. Wow, it's got some heft into it. Pretty damn heavy, but we're gonna skip it right now. Let's move into the stand first actually. Let's pull it out right here, and wow, this feels so cheap, so flimsy. This is just like cheap plastic, and I've seen a lot of reviews. They said that this is really bad, so fragile, so make sure to take care of it so you don't break it. But hey, I think it still works fine anyway. But other than that, we're actually missing the cable, but I have unboxed it, and apparently it's hiding under here for some reason. Like why is under here? Like, come on, how? I thought first time when I unboxed this, like, did they miss the cable or something? But apparently it's under there. And as you can see, this is a pretty good cable right here. This is a USB-C, and it's actually L-shaped, so that's very good for this mic. I'll show later on the video. And on the other side is a USB-A one, and of course you can use a dongle to connect it to your phone. But yeah, now let's get into the mic itself. Alright, here is the mic, and as you can see, it looks very good. Like it got some heft, the build quality is very nice. Other than I feel like the button is a little shaky, like it's kind of loose. But other than that, this is the mic here. On the top part is made out of metal, which is very great. But sadly on the bottom here, this is just plastic. But other than that, this is the stand. And as you can see, there's a lot of button and screen here, but I'll explain that later. But let's talk about the body itself. As you can see, it got some USB-C over here. Hopefully all of that in focus. And then this is the thread here if you want to use your own stand. And then here on the side is a headphone jack for monitoring if you want to do that. And then under here is another thread to use the built-in stand right here. Just screw it on here. And yeah, it should work pretty fine. And then also on the side here, this is for adjusting the mic to tighten it up. So as you can see, it doesn't swivel as much anymore, or you want to make it loose for some reason, you can also do that. But yeah, I've skipped a lot of the features, but let's talk more detail about it in our sound test. Let's get into my sound. Alright, we're on our set right now, and as you can see, I'm currently recording with both the Soundtech 2.1 microphone right here and also my old $10 earbud. So here, hopefully we can hear some comparison between the two, and this is going to be raw, non-edited at all, no processing, no nothing, just pure straight out of the mic. And hopefully this is not too loud because I also don't have the monitoring here, so hopefully I'm not cracking your ears. Anyway, let's get into the features which I promised and I skip over like a lot here. Okay, so let's see. The front here is actually the back side, so hopefully I'm not speaking too loud into the mic here, but this is the back side here, and here is actually the front side, which is where I'm speaking right now. So here on the back side, as you can see, there are a knob here, and that's three things right here. The first one is the cardioid mode, and then the second one is mute, and then the third one is the omni mode. So yeah, as it said in the box, it has two modes, cardioid and omni. And as you can see, I'm on the cardioid mode right now, which means that only the front is picking up the vocal. So if I speak like this, maybe this is on the back now, you cannot hear me that much, and I'm here on the front right now. So this is perfect for like streaming or gaming or whatever. Only need one person. Meanwhile, on the second one is of course the mute. If I turn it right now, this mic right here, which you can hear me now. But yeah, as you can see, the light turns off, but I turn it on side. As you can see, this is now the omni mode, which means yeah, if I speak everywhere, it's gonna be all equal. It's gonna pick up everywhere. So this is perfect for like podcasting with like two people, or maybe in a group meeting or something. But as you can hear right now, the quality is so much lower. Like this is not very usable at all. Like the quality is so bad compared to the normal mode. So I'll probably stick with the cardioid mode right now. I'm gonna switch right now. There you go, so much better, which I'll definitely use like 95% of the time. And yeah, don't mind me, I'm just holding up the mic right now because there's no stand and I kinda want to show it off, so it's easier for me. But yeah, now looking at the front here, hopefully you can still hear me. I'm just gonna switch to this mic maybe. On the top side is another button here. This is for the noise cancellation. So if you can hear right now, there's maybe a lot of noise. I have AC on right now, maybe you can hear that. But if I turn it on, as you can hear, there's less noise. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna speak. Hey, do you like this mic? I have ANC on. Yeah. If I turn it off though, as you can hear, there's probably more noise. So yeah, this is a really great feature if you want to cancel out all the noisy stuff. Alright, so under that button, you can see a volume indicator right here. As you can see, I'm speaking really loud, then it's gonna be really high. If I speak really far, then it's gonna be quite low. And under here is actually the volume button, okay? So as you can see right now, I'm on 20% volume, and then I can go to 10, 20, and I can go to straight to max if I want to. Hopefully I'm not breaking your ears right now, but yeah, I'm just gonna do it on 20 again, because I don't know why, but this mic with my phone, it's super loud. I'm gonna set it on 20, which is I think the best. Hopefully I'm not breaking your ears. But yeah, this button also works as a echo mode. So as you can see, if I press it, boom, it's gonna be a green one. And as you can hear right now, I'm like in a cave. Am I in a cave right now? Oh my god, my voice is cracking. Anyway, so yeah, this is the echo mode. As you can hear, it's full echo. I'm just gonna turn it off. Who wants to use this anyway? Like this is, I don't know, maybe it's a niche thing, but I don't really see myself using it. But yeah, that's pretty much all the features I got here. And of course, I want to mention that on the bottom here, the L-shaped USB-C is actually pretty great. As you can see, it just slides so easily. If it were a straight one, I don't think it will even fit. But yeah, I think that's all the features now. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Well, I did. But yeah, as you can see on top of the mic here, there's some blue light, which is cool, I guess. And then for the modes, blue means cardioid, and then the red is omni, I guess. Is that important? No. But yeah, other than that, let's do a quick pass right here for audio. And I'm currently speaking a little bit louder than normal. But if you want to speak like a casual person, then hey guys, how you doing? Maybe you're doing great. Hopefully you're doing great. How is it? Okay, how's your day? But yeah, maybe you got a deep voice also. So hey, so maybe I don't have a deep voice, but this is actually a really bad deep voice. But hopefully it's picking up well. And maybe you got a really high pitched voice. I don't know, maybe you got high pitched voice. My voice is cracking really high. But yeah, very embarrassing. But other than that, maybe you're a last player. Maybe you like to scream into the mic because you got a kill. Like whoa, oh my god, look at that. I got a kill, dude. Look at that clutch. I'm so good at the game. Oh my god, or you may be playing horror game like So hopefully that didn't pick the mic. I actually didn't scream that loud. But yeah, maybe you want to go a little quieter. Like maybe you're whispering for maybe you're an ASMR artist. So how is it? Is it very good? I don't know. And actually, that's also a little foam here. So if I whisper, it's not gonna be blowing out all the air inside. Maybe a little bit. There's a little foam, so that does help. Maybe you want to do some like, can you hear that? Delicate sounds, maybe like tapping sounds. Let me do some little tapping for you. How is that? Maybe that's good. But yeah, I'm just gonna speak normally now. But yeah, how does that sound? Maybe it's good. I don't know. I haven't heard it yet. But my future me will. So let's just go to my future. Future me, take over, please. Oh, hi, hello there, Future Me here, and I'm currently editing this video right now, and I'm also recording with the Soundtech 2.1 microphone. And as you can hear, this is actually the edited version, fully processed with all my usual stuff like that, like EQ, noise gate, and etc. So this will actually be a good example of how it sounds like when you're actually using it for stuff. But yeah, this is a weird setup, and there's a little rain, so maybe the ANC is working. I have it on right now. But yeah, for the raw, it does sound pretty dang good. Like seriously, it sounds pretty good even raw. And comparing it to my old mic, it sounds like my old mic but have been processed like 1,000 times. And I'm impressed that it can do it just raw without any editing at all. So yeah, I can safely say that this mic is pretty good for you who wants a cheap mic for like streaming or content creation or something like that. And I can safely recommend this cheap mic since it's full of features and looks pretty cool and also have good audio. But yeah, I think that's all I got for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely make a review of this mic, so make sure to subscribe down below. Click that bell button so you won't miss it when I upload it in the future, and make sure to hit that like button also if you liked it. If you hate it, then dislike, whatever. But yeah, you can also comment down below what do you think about this mic. And yeah, that's all I got for now. Thank you so much and bye.